In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Google Calendar event link and grant access. This is a simple but powerful way to keep everyone in the know about your upcoming events. Whether you're organizing a meeting, a family gathering, or any kind of event, sharing the link is a convenient way to ensure everyone stays informed and connected. First things first, let's start by going to Google Calendar. You can do this by entering Google Calendar in your browser's search bar and hitting enter. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign in, which is as simple as clicking on the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. If you have multiple Google accounts, choose the appropriate one or enter your email address if it's not listed. After that, go ahead and type in your password, then click Next to proceed. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself in your Google Calendar overview. Look for the event you wish to share. Navigate through the dates to select it. Once you've selected your event, you'll see an option to invite via link. This is a pretty handy feature that allows you to generate a shareable link. Click on it and you'll find a copy link option. All you need to do is click on that and the link will be copied to your clipboard. You can then paste and send this link through your preferred communication channel, whether it's email, chat, or even a text message, to invite anyone you'd like to attend. Alternatively, if direct invitations through email feel more personal to you, there's another option. You can email the event details right from Google Calendar. Click on the email option, then you can enter the recipient's email address or select a name from your contacts list. After entering the email address, you can include a subject line and a message. Make sure to provide any additional details or context that might be necessary for your guest to know. Once you're satisfied with your message, the final step is to click Send. This will dispatch an invitation directly to the recipient's inbox with all the relevant event details embedded. It's a seamless way to ensure your invitees are informed instantly and can even add the event to their calendars with a single click. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to easily share your Google Calendar event link and send invites. This approach can save you a lot of time while ensuring everyone stays connected and organized. Whether you're managing a small team or hosting a larger event, these steps make it easy to reach out and share event information efficiently. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips, and as always, happy